Hello and welcome to this item UI tutorial. Today I will show you how to set a product UOM. This video is going to show you how to create additional UOM. The system only defaults to provide each and case. For example, if you want to add a pallet as a UOM, go to Settings. On the left-hand side, click UOM Definition. So I already have the pallet. All you have to do is add your UOM definition. Click your organization and then the name. Let's say I do box. You can see it's already created. If you want an item to select the pallet as a UOM, go to Product, Product Spec. I'll just pick any random item. Click Advanced Mode on the Item UOM tab. You can see right here, this item is defaulted to each as the default. If you want to change this item to use pallet as a UOM, select the UOM name pallet, then input the quantity. You can do more than one. Also, input the dimensions of the pallet. Then you just hit Create. Right now, you have to disable the each UOM and then enable the pallet UOM. All you have to do is click Disable on each, and then the system is going to ask you what UOM you want to set as a default. Select pallet and then click Disable. As you can see, the pallet is set as the default right now. Thanks for watching. If you would like to learn more about other item applications, please take a look at our expansive library of tutorial content.